what we're gonna do today is change the water pump on a Jimny JB23W. It's a 2003. It looks pretty easy, but we're gonna find out now how it goes. As you can see, the water pump is just behind here. So when I'm gonna remove this pipe and a hose to have more space to work on, and just remove it. So I'm gonna show you later. We drain the radiator, and with this little valve here we can just purge everything, I guess, if it's not clogged. Okay, oh, I guess now it's coming. All right, it's gonna take time, but we have time. We have to remove the belt, so I'm just gonna lose the tensioner. So I can take everything out. Looks like there is plenty of room to work in this car engine. Okay, now we have that belt loose. I'm just gonna remove the tensioner, which I guess also have to be replaced. Okay, this come out, and there's the tensioner out. All right. Oh, yeah, it's quite hard after 150,000 kilometers ran. Oh, no wonder. Remove the belt and leave it down there. So to get this off, we have to take these first, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay. So it seems to be, it will be quite tricky, but not difficult. It is a okay, we have to remove this one. That's 5 volts. Not that one. There's one hidden in behind there. You cannot see it. It's very dark. And there is another one. Where is it? down there. Here, exactly. Not here. Cannot be seen. Hold on. I'm gonna put the light on. Just doing this with the iPhone, so I'm sorry about that. We have the lights on, so we probably can see better now. Yeah. Okay, there is one ball hidden down there, behind there. There's one there, and there should be another one. Yeah, over there. And one behind the pulley. Right. And as you can see, this is just behind that rusty bolt over there. I think it's gonna come out easier. Let's see. And finally came out. It took a long time and it was very difficult to get this bolt in the back and without removing the whole pump case. But now it's out. So now we can replace it. Well, you can hear the bearing is just bagged. So when we are going to prepare to replace it. I got this one, which is, you have very good reviews on internet. I think it's fine. No noise at all. Very good. So we're gonna prepare. It comes. It cost me around 4,450 yen, which is about 40 bucks, American dollars. And let's see how it works. I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna clean up there and then set it up. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay. Oh. It's a 650cc engine. It's the smallest Jimny. It's not the Sierra. It comes with turbo charger behind there. The new replacement is in place, and I'm gonna just put the belt. Okay, we put the tensioner and the belt in place and all the pulleys, and then we got the Allen key. It's a 10. It's a 10 Allen, and it fits here. And then is where we are going to give tension to the belt. With this bolt, we can adjust. So I saw some other models, they have both a hex bolts and a hex hole to adjust the pulley. So we get the 12. This always happen. I lost the 12. I didn't lose the 10. Okay, got it. So then we just pull here, give some tension. Not too much. And then just this is enough. And then with the other bolt, just goes there. I need to change my gloves. And it looks good. All right, now put all the hoses back in the place, fill up the radiator, and test it. All in place. There is no noise at all. And the replacement fits perfectly. The aftermarket piece. So that's it. It's simple, not that simple. You have to struggle a little bit with the bolts in the bottom. We need that kind of angle spanners and some keys, sockets, universal sockets. But it's not a difficult task. If you have basic knowledge about mechanics, you can do it. Everybody can do it. Hope you guys like the video. I hope it's helpful. Those who own the Jimny JB23W, and well, let's see next thing what happened. Bye.